I don't want to name the generation. They claim that youngsters these days easily give up. I witness myself, dia orang ni tend to give up easily. Any motivational words you want to bagi tahu this new generation?
Man not we sir.
Oh, we sir.
Jangan bodoh. It's very simple. You see why you give up in the first place. Give up ni dia bukan tertakluk kepada generation sahaja. Dia bukan gen tu, gen ni. Kalau nak salahkan gen, you have to blame the earlier generation. This prior generation
Jadi example.
mold, membuat acuan generasi baru ni untuk ikut. Enhance. Kita dah bodoh, dia orang ni lagi memperbodohkan lagi benda yang sedia bodoh. Why do we give up in the first place? Tidak tertakluk kepada generation. Ingat pernah beli sabung? Because our generation pun
Ada
give up.
yang gitu.
The earlier generation and us pun give up. Kadang-kadang kita tak sedar benda tu yang kita give up. Kita tak meletakkan satu effort, satu usaha yang mencukupi. Dah almost reaching the destination and sometimes we just quit. That is give up. And the worst part about giving up, when you give up, you actually justifying that. Itu makhluk yang paling tongon sekali. Ada S, dia plural. Ketongongan itu berlaku bila kita nak justify benda yang today I'm gonna stop doing this because it's not worth it. And the worst of the worst is when you blame God for that. Ini bukan takdirku. Hotokmu. Kolokmu. Of course we believe in divine intervention in everything that we do in our life.
There are things yang beyond our control.
Beyond our control, but have you put enough efforts on it? Why do you justify your failures? Kebanyakan kita akan justify kita punya failure. I fail because of Mahmud. Mahmud pergi start motor, sebab tu aku tak boleh nak pergi kerja. Kalau dia start motor aku tak hidup. Gitu. But we always justifying our failures. We always justify insufficient efforts that we put in things. Kekurangan usaha yang kita letak pada sesuatu tu, kita akan kita akan reason with it. Sebab dia begini, kita justify, and then the ultimatum of justification and reasoning is you blame God. You salahkan Tuhan. Tuhan tidak membenarkan aku untuk melakukan begini. You just imagine in marriage, if you give up, laki mu lepo kuali kamu apa tepi pong, and somehow you give up after all those 20-15 years, 15 to 20 years. Tak tahu
Jadi game. It's a sport.
Seorang pegang nyapu, seorang lagi lepo kuali. I mean, if you enjoy that, there's nothing problem with that. Hari tengok bapa 2 ekor tu, my God bang kuali.
Memang sport dia gitu.
Ya, sider kita bukan boleh judge orang. Itu dia punya cara mereka berkasih sayang. When you stop putting efforts on something, merasa penat. Sebenarnya penat tu, lelah itu, exhausted. Itulah saat kebanyakannya, the moment that you will achieve your success. Tapi bila you, separuh jalan jatuh, tak mau jalan, mengesok, ngek macam ular. Ini masalah dia, baik mau jadi ular, jadi bewok kan, jalan 4 kaki.
This podcast is brought to you by Terasur, your digital marketing company.